Hi and welcome to these IG Market Headlines. I'm Brenda Kelly. Today is the 10th of July 2013. We're really looking forward now to the Fed minutes this evening, and of course we're going to see Ben Bernanke making a speech with the floor open to questions from the audience. And of course you can expect to see the usual as to when we will see some tapering from the Fed in respect of its quantitative easing. There is much speculation that we will see it as early as September, and this is obviously playing into the dollar strength at the moment. We saw the dollar index hitting a 3-year high yesterday. It has pulled off those highs today, but nonetheless we have seen a huge amount of pressure on the euro and the sterling too. Obviously this comes on the back of central banks giving us forward guidance last week, and more to the point ECB Jörg Asmussen giving us an idea that this forward guidance, where we would see a sustained period of low interest rates for at least 12 months, has really put pressure on the euro. What is interesting when you compare the euro dollar with the sterling dollar is that on a daily basis they are 91% correlated. Yet we look at our sentiment figures and we can see that 51% of our clients are actually short euro dollar, while over 60% of you are actually long sterling dollar. So this is something to maybe contend with and to maybe examine if you are about to take a trade on there. Looking more closely at the euro dollar, we have seen a pull back through the 128 level, having pulled off those 127.50 levels yesterday. Now if that support level gives way, it does open up the way for a touch of the 126.80 level, which we haven't seen since November of 2012, and is also the 61.8% retracement of the entire move from the highs of this year to the lows that we saw all the way back in July 2012. For the time being, it does seem that we have a propensity to push up higher towards 129.40 or thereabouts, which is actually the trend line resistance since that support gave way a couple of days ago. What needs to be remembered is that there is a huge amount of pressure on the euro, and certainly if we see any sort of guidance from the Fed today, and of course Bernanke in particular, we could expect to see a very volatile trading session ahead of us, but mostly towards the end of this evening. So trade well, use stop losses, and for more information log on to IG.com.